Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my thick and creamy chocolate smoothie. We need 2 banana and also 3/4 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, a dash of cinnamon, and also 1 scoop of chocolate powder. Now blend. And finally, we have our thick and creamy chocolate smoothie. If you make this smoothie, just adjust the ingredients that you need according also to your taste. And suggestion is very much welcome, so just write it down in the comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it.